guys, welcome to Ghana Today TV, and once again I am Nana Kofi, here to bring you another trending and exciting story on social media. So yes, Dr Ernest Ofori Sarpong, yes, his daughter's wedding is still trending all over social media. On says Kafondi or maybe Bisana or me in a big in the internet trendy for weeks and months. Yes, so Dr Ernest Ofori Sarpong's daughter Cindy Ofori Sarpong's wedding is still trending. Now Kidi also had a massive performance at the at the wedding, which was also beautiful, very, very beautiful. He had an amazing performance, so we had to bring it to you. So yes, here is Kidi's performance. Watch it, but please do well to subscribe to Ghana Today TV, and also leave your comments in the comment section. Is very, 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 very necessary. So here is Kidi's performance. Watch it and let me know what you think in the comment section below.
Give you all you want,